Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I start but can't complete. Listen, oh, to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside or turned into your own. Oh, 'cause you won't listen. There is someone here inside, someone I thought had died so long ago. Oh, I'm screaming out, and my dreams to be heard, they will not be pushed aside or turned into your own. Oh, 'cause you won't listen.
She sang Beyonce. She sang it with all her heart and power and effort and emotion. Oh my God. I hate drugs. Joke. Gladys Grace is one of a kind, and she's so talented, and you really can't deny that she can sing. And you know, she's so amazing, and the vocal power she has is unbelievable for a human being. And Gladys Grace resembles the beauty of music in her country. This same time, she spread it through her singing by singing covers from other artists, and she deserved an album. She deserved music. She deserved everything. And that's it, guys. And if you have any more Gladys Grace videos you want me to react, just drop the comment down below. Bye for now.